So right now we're going to be talking about Unit 1 functions, the functions of Unit 1. Under the syllabus, it's going to be point 4. So why is a function a function? So this is just a recap, PowerPoint, no practice questions or anything like that. A function is a relation from a set of inputs to a set of possible outputs where each input is related to exactly one output. So no more than one. Remember, it's sticking in the one-to-one relationship. I'm going to put that right here. Okay, so remember that this is one of the key terms that we've always had. And a function, like, again, right, as I've said before, one-to-one relationship. So how does one tell a function? So a function can be confirmed by its identity by the vertical line test. And remember that the vertical line test is basically using two or more vertical lines drawn through a graphed image. And if the vertical lines pass through more than one coordinate set, then the graphed image is not a function. And you can see the rest of these notes on the terms PowerPoint of Unit 1. So why does a function have an inverse? Again, we're going back to terms that we've already learned about. The horizontal line test, which basically is looking if a function has an inverse and not telling if a function is a function. Also, if a function has a one-to-one relationship, signifying its inverse. So some functions will not have an inverse. That's what you'll come across sometimes, most of the time, maybe not at all, but there tends to be always one graphed image or more than one graphed image that does not have an inverse or is not a function. So a function will have an inverse if it possesses a one-to-one relationship, and that's one of the biggest things that you need to know. And again, these are just a couple of recap notes.